hohes Alter zu gewinnen.
Extending life expectancy, staying productive, enjoying one's social network, but also avoiding illness. That has to be the goal. And medical electronics can make a significant contribution to this.
Was wir eben hier versuchen, ist schlicht.
What we're trying to do here, plain and simple, is to bring electronics and medicine together in a way that benefits the patient. One of the things that would be visionary, for example, is actually being able to implant sensors. Basically, the implant is a piece of metal. If we could use the sensors to tell us when the patient is remobilized early enough and stable enough, then that means we could remove the implants earlier.
Das Implantat auch früher entfernen. In solchen Fallbeispielen, glaube ich, spiegelt sich wieder.
Case studies like these show how biomedical electronics can be a significant innovational advancement for patient care. There are several aspects to the challenge. Imagine that a cell like this is about 1/10 the diameter of a hair. The electronic components that can be built, in silicon technology for example, are about 1,000 times smaller. The goal of these printing processes is to experiment with different geometrics and materials, which can later then be used in implants. When I now consider that I can stimulate a particular nerve fiber in the vagus nerve, for example, which would then determine a particular response, such as lowering the blood pressure, for example, then this would of course be great progress, if we can make it happen. We already started to try applying structures, sensors, and conducting paths on soft substrates with a relatively simple additive fabrication process. And we're doing all that because we naturally want to be able to manufacture the softest, most flexible electronics possible to better integrate into the biological tissue. The Medical Electronics Conference at Electronica in Munich is something unique.
Was Einzigartiges?
It is of utmost importance to have different groups with their own expertise, whether in medicine or electrical engineering, working together to initiate research projects and promote development.